It's a great day for a drive in. It's 2017 F-150 XLT in blue. Gray cloth interior, and it has seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box with a nice canopy, a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has these nice window vents as well as a trailer tow hitch and tailgate step. Many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat and passenger seat are powered with lumbar. All other mats on the floor. You have your power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and there's a running board as well as a grab handle, just making it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. And then when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. So let's take a look in there. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You have an automatic select shifter, and you have tow haul and sport on the end, so we just press it. You'll see the tow haul appear to the right of the odometer reading, then S for sport, and then off again. And in the center little cubby, we have our hill descent and traction control. There's your hazard lights, and on this LCD screen, we can touch on our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. We also have navigation. The map will come up, and we can choose our destination, and our settings, we can go in there and slide through for different options. There's your navigation again. You've got Bluetooth, general information, your Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can change the look of your display. You can dim it out if you want to, and then just they all have sub-menus. And then when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the back bumper, there's your center line, green, yellow, red, just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. So let's put us back into park, volume and tuner, and then the CD player. You have your fan, front defrost as well. You've got rear defrost, heated seats for both driver and passenger, and AC and max AC. And then down below you have a little cubby with a couple of USB outlets, and you just press and this will just close right up. It's a little bit cool today. There we go. And then off to the side is your 4x4 with locking differential, and you have your trailer backup. Integrated trailer brake controller is just below, and that's your Pro Trailer Backup. That's located there. There's a nice cubby, a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, and you've got a nice little bin in here. You can take that out. And down below, lots of room. You can throw things in there and just secure them. And then you've got your 12-volt and your 110, locking glove compartment, grab handle in the body, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and the mirror and the window in the back is power sliding, so that's what the button's for, and you're all set to go. Wheels, mud flaps, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. You've got this nice canopy, and in the rear you've got the backup camera just below the chrome handle, and an LED light to the right, backup sensors on the bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up that canopy, you simply just pull or push the release there. It'll lift right up, and then pull your handle to bring down the tailgate. You also have this nice tailgate step, and the yellow button off to the side is just a handle that pulls out to give you some stability. And you notice it's nicely lined inside with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's also a grab handle in the body and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, and nice all-weather mat that runs from one side to the other for easy cleanup. Then to bring down the seat, just simply pull the tab, and you've got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and a couple of cup holders in the center there. You also have a 12-volt as well as 2 USB and a 110-volt, air vents on either side, grab handle on the driver's side, hooks and lighting up top, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Bumper in the rear, and this is part of the XTR package. Adds a little bling to your vehicle. So the grille, fender, bumper, handles, and running board all have chrome on them. You've got a 5.5-foot box that's lined with a canopy, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirror with integrated turn signal, halogen headlights, fog lights, and tow hooks, as well as many more features. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.